We are going to get Connor a birthday cake. He wants to cook his own birthday cake. And this crazy driver was found in the parking lot. I don't think that kid knows how to drive. Awesome lightning show in the clouds outside of the park. All right, Connor's gonna make his birthday cake. His favorite tradition whenever we're out camping on his birthday.
Yes, and his birthday cake. We will need 1 cup water. We can just get that piece of cake. 1/3 cup vegetable oil. 3 large eggs. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit from meal in glass pans. Water, oil, and eggs in large bowls. Okay, so.
Connor, how's cooking in the camper?
Fun.
Is it harder than cooking at home?
Yeah. 1 cup of water. Stirring time.
This cake just came out of the oven. It's looking good. Just need to let it cool down so we can frost it. I think we're gonna have us a yummy birthday cake. Frosting time. Almost time to sing a little happy birthday and eat some cake. Yep, we're gonna write happy birthday with that. Sprinkle time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Connor. Happy birthday to you. In our typical fashion, we run our days long. It is now 11:30 at night. We are finally enjoying Connor's birthday cake. We're gonna get to sleep soon and start this craziness all over again tomorrow.